fuck are you doing, dipshit? Really? Fucking idiot. No headlights either. He doesn't have any lights on, he doesn't have anything. He's just out there driving. Like, I'm just gonna creep on up into this lane because, you know, I'm not paying attention. I'm not even gonna obey the stop sign. Roundabout number 1. I'm just gonna do a loop. Look for this Prius. He's over there being an idiot. Alright. Come on, people, put your freaking lights on. It's not that freaking hard. I'm gonna wave to this guy. Hello. Alright, we're gonna go around this little turny thing. A little crack makes me nervous every time. I don't want to roll over it sideways. It's probably fine, but I'm all paranoid. So I'm headed to Home Depot because I gotta figure out why my sink is clogged. I either have to get some sort of Drano thingy with like a snake that I can shove in there and yank whatever it is out, or hopefully there's a plumbing person there who can help me make sure that's going to be the, you know, the root cause or whatever. Because otherwise I gotta buy a new pipe or something, one of those traps, those little U-shaped things. I don't know, we'll see. Here's roundabout number 2. There's cars, but I don't care about cars. We're just gonna go around the roundabout. Go around the roundabout. All right. Okay, so this roundabout has 2 lanes entering, and I think all lanes have 2 lanes leaving. But the right direction may be only 1 lane, the left direction may be only 1. 2 lanes enter, 2 lanes leave if you go straight. So you choose your lane because you can't change lanes in the frickin' roundabout. So I'm in the middle. I can either go left or I can go straight. I'm going to choose to go straight, but I could follow it left. And if I want to continue to go around left, I have to get into that extra left lane that was in the roundabout that you may have seen. I've seen people try to change lanes in the roundabout because they suddenly decide they want to go left when they're in the right lane entering, and that's just wrong. You shouldn't do that. And that's not one of those roundabouts that I'm going to just go around and around in because it's multiple lanes. I'll probably confuse someone and then they'll do something stupid, and next thing you know I'm on my back on the pavement. I don't want to deal with all that. Man, I guess this person in front of me is kind of in a hurry. Usually I'm worried about people going slow in front of me. This person I'm kind of like, alright. It's good times. You're going at a speed that I'm comfortable with. What time is it? It's like 8 o'clock, isn't it? Probably. Knowing my luck. Yeah, 8 o'clock. It's so crazy. Like, the day goes by so quick on the weekends. I have so much crap I want to do, and I can never get around to doing it because there's always, oh, you got to run this little errand, and oh, you got to go run that little errand, and oh, your sink is clogged. Oh, and your kid has gymnastics. There's never any freaking time to do anything. And there's all these projects that need to get done, like the whole, like, front landscaping thing. I've been being hounded about that for a couple of months now. And I'm like, that is probably on the bottom of my list of things to do. I'll get around to it when I'm ready to, but for now, I have other things that I'd rather focus upon. I should come down here and watch a movie. That's what I ought to do, just go see a movie. Be like, screw it, I'll get home when I get home. Dude, you gotta put your hands on the handlebars, man. Like, I mean, the whole time, all the way across. No hands. I mean, I get it, you're cool. But you're at an intersection. A busy one, with lots of cars. Do that shit when you're on the open road. Much longer. I don't know, man. I just want to go to sleep. I'm gonna basically have half of the day tomorrow. That's assuming that plans don't get made for me, but I'll have half the day tomorrow to do what I want to do with my project work. Which, that's not really enough time to make a dent in anything. So I'll probably pick some of the smaller tasks. Which is really sad, because so many of these cool ideas I have just keep getting pushed back and pushed back, because I don't have enough time to really dig in and focus on it long enough to make a dent. I just keep drawing sketches in my sketchbook and, you know, whatever. Okay, so 2 lanes entering. You can go straight from either lane, but you can't go left unless you're in the left lane when you enter. I don't understand why some people don't get this. So I'm in the left lane, so I can go left if I so choose. But I'm going to choose to go straight. Which is like this. And when assholes from the right lane try to go left at that point, I've almost been run over twice at that particular roundabout. Especially in more congested parts of the day. See, that guy did a wrong thing. He shouldn't have stopped, and neither should that guy. Well, I don't know, the blue car probably was okay, because he didn't know if I was going to go down that other road or not. But the red truck, there was no reason for him to stop. Just go! Holy crap, dude. Hello. I'm gonna just go around the loop. The loop. We're gonna go around the loop. Do do. Do do do. We're gonna go around the loop. I need to practice this anyway. Practice the lean. And then we're gonna go this way. Look at that. A signal. A Harley rider's using a signal. Holy crap. Destroying the stereotype. Oh, it's dark. You are likely to be eaten by a grue. Oh man. I don't like that.